much needed cooler weather today, but state experts say we are not in the clear just yet. After devastating wildfires earlier this year, the National Outlook predicts more potential trouble on the way next month. News 4's John Hayes spoke with the state agency in charge of keeping an eye on that risk. New at 10.
You know, this weather may have a lot of us doing a double take when we hear the words wildfire danger, but state forestry leaders say it's too soon to say we're out of the woods. You likely remember watching this like it was yesterday. Wildfires burning through Oklahoma this past March, destroying thousands of acres, homes, and even killing some Oklahomans. But is it safe to say it's all over?
We are entering the time of the year when we need to be very vigilant.
Oklahoma Forestry Services Deputy Fire Management Chief Drew Daly says his team is monitoring things closely from now through spring. Next month, the National Interagency Fire Center predicts pretty much all of the state outside of the Panhandle will experience above normal wildfire potential. December and January see predictions back at normal.
It's a very broad scale look.
Daly says the national predictions are mainly a tool for the state and local fire departments to make sure they have their ducks in a row when it comes to mutual aid. Daly says weather trends will be the key, with a potentially drier and warmer season in the cards.
So it's the spacing of those colder, wetter periods between the warmer, drier periods that will dictate the severity of fire.
He says Oklahomans can take action right now to ease anxiety.
Making sure their gutters are free of debris such as leaves, pine needles, and the like. But then also looking at the foundations of their homes, making sure the leaves aren't built up beside those. Keeping a garden hose coiled and at the ready so that if a fire were to occur, that's just another tool that a firefighter can use.
In Oklahoma City, John Hayes, Oklahoma's News 4.
Daly says there are plenty of other tools and reliable resources out there to give you a heads up days in advance of potential wildfire threats. We'll be sure to keep you forewarned as well.